Day 13 of the UK Locksport January Challenge. I've got a Coldseal lock here. Coldseal are a manufacturer of double glazing products and doors. Obviously this came from a door that had been upgraded at some point. Quite an old lock, because I don't think Coldseal actually make their own locks anymore, or certainly don't brand their own locks anymore. No key, because again it came from a door that had been taken out of use. So off we go. Bit of a false set there. It's just this false set back again. And there we go, open. So, let's see. So, day 14, I wonder what that will bring. Bye bye.